The on-demand car wash app market is booming, driven by the convenience and efficiency these apps offer. With just a few taps on a smartphone, users can book a car wash service, eliminating the need to wait in long lines. This video explores the main players and key features of this growing market. The global on-demand car wash market was valued at $27.8 billion United States dollars in 2020 and is expected to grow at a compound annual growth rate of 3.8% between 2022 and 2028. The increasing interest in car maintenance and the convenience of mobile apps are significant drivers of this market. According to the International Car Wash Association, car owners are now more likely to use professional services than wash their cars at home. Several companies have emerged as leaders in the on-demand car wash app market. These include Washos, Wipe, Spiffy, Queeks, Washify, and Dino Wash. These companies have developed innovative features and intuitive marketing strategies to attract users and generate substantial revenue. They offer a range of services, from basic washes to detailed cleaning, catering to both luxury and budget-conscious customers. There are two main types of on-demand car wash apps: dedicated apps and aggregator apps. Dedicated apps are designed for service center owners who want to personalize their services and increase user engagement. Aggregator apps provide a platform where multiple service providers can list their services, allowing users to choose the one that best suits their needs. Both types offer unique advantages and cater to different business models. On-demand car wash apps offer numerous benefits. Scheduling allows customers to book appointments quickly and easily. Online payment methods, including cards, wallets, and net banking, provide convenience. Instant access to high-quality car wash services ensures a smooth experience. Bespoke content tailored to users' needs and budgets enhances user satisfaction. Faster response rates connect car wash dealers and users efficiently. The ideal car wash app should have three main panels: user, car washer, and admin. The user panel includes features like sign up, car wash package selection, locating nearby detailers, multiple car options, chat and video calling, payment module, reviews, and booking a detailer. The car washer panel includes service location, accept reject requests, service status updates, and push notifications. The admin panel manages user registration, service time zones, payroll, ratings, reviews, and a heat map view. Advanced features can make an on-demand car wash app stand out. Customer Relationship Management, CRM, helps streamline client information. Real-time tracking provides security for car pickup and drop-off services. Multilingual support eliminates language barriers. Native features like barcode and QR code payments and smooth navigation enhance user experience. These features contribute to a more efficient and user-friendly app. There are several monetization strategies for on-demand car wash apps. Sponsorships and advertisements can generate additional revenue. Product merchandising offers another revenue stream by selling car wash-related products. These strategies can significantly boost the app's profitability and ensure a steady income flow. Developing a car wash app requires a skilled team and the right technology stack. The team should include a project manager, front-end and back-end developers, iOS and Android developers, UI/UX designers, QA engineers, and business analysts. The technology stack may include databases like DataStax and MongoDB, cloud services like AWS and Azure, navigation tools like Google Maps, and payment gateways like Stripe and PayPal. The cost of developing a car wash app varies based on complexity, size, third-party integrations, and the location of the development team. Developers in Eastern Europe charge between $50 to $150 per hour, while those in South Asia charge between $10 to $80 per hour. Technical documentation alone can cost between $1,000 to $2,000. These factors collectively determine the overall development cost.